Hi guys, welcome to Somali React. This is Ismail Abdi and this is our new segment called the Somali Challenge. It's targeting the Somali Siju. I've been trying to learn the Somali language and this is the best expression so far that I've learned living in Isli. Hoye ayayda iyo awowo uku imaade waqooyi Kenya u imaade 19th century waqsoo dhashay aboy na hooyoy أنا Somali ما قرن سيف عن ونبربرني حلكن يو حلكن Somali يرير ونقرني مركا نمكن واحد له أما مركا سمون واحد له Somali ونمخله but talking عن شبشبشنس أو عن شبشبنيا Somali ما قرن يوسف عن لكن ونبرني Kenya bankadale marka meesha reer Masai u jooga Masai badan u jooga so Somali waa male Somali ma jirto xagas iyo my dear brothers and sisters, and that was my best Somali so far. So if you have a friend who is a Somali Siju and you think they can speak better Somali than me, I challenge them on this Somali show. Contact us, send us a message, and we will be in touch. Hey ho! Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to Somali React. This is Ismail Abdi. We would like you please to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos, and please make sure you hit the notification button for constant updates on many videos like this and many more.